The sun or a lightning bolt, which is hotter? The sun's surface burns at 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize metal instantly. But what if I told you something on Earth gets even hotter? A single lightning bolt can reach 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 27,007 degrees Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. In fact, if you were struck, the heat could cause your sweat to explode into steam instantly. But here's the catch. Lightning lasts less than a second. The sun has been burning for 4.6 billion years and powers life itself. So which is truly hotter? If we're talking pure temperature, lightning wins. But if we're talking raw, sustained power, nothing beats the sun.